Greetings, everybody, it's me again. This time, Castlevania 2. I'm going to take it apart, get those contact pads all nice and mirror polished, get that finish on them. The cartridge itself looks really, really good. I mean, you know, the shell and all that, so let's open her up and see what it looks like. I don't believe I've ever been inside this one. These, screws were quite crunchy. Okay, I'm gonna set that over here now too. I'm not even gonna have it even anywhere near all those eraser stuff. Alright. I don't see a cart to board line. I see some transparency between it. You can see through it. Not a bad looking PCB. Sorry about the fingers. There we go. Okay, now that's unique. The chips are. You know, I've not seen those before. Have you? I haven't. I've seen the rest of the stuff, but I have not seen that. That's really cool. Even the, oh, they have the MC1A. Okay. Oh, here. Did you guys get it? Take a picture. Yeah, with the rest of the, I'm going to make it a tradition now. We're going to go with ASMR. Be very quiet while I'm working on the actual eraser side of things, but we'll do a little narration before and a little bit after as I'm scrubbing away with the cotton swab on it. Yeah, Castlevania 2. This is the one that I remember playing all the time. I remember having to borrow codes from other people just to get to a certain spot in the game. I would get not necessarily lost, but I would almost want to get lost on purpose just to be able to get back to a town again so I can map it in my head of where everything is and where everything's supposed to be. I think the biggest mystery that I had in this particular game was having to crouch down at the very far left of all of the game stages. You know, go on to the next, and you go all the way left, and you have to crouch down, and then a whirlwind would come over and pick you up and bring you over to the other side where other castles are at. And that would be the area where you can't, if you go all the way right, where you can't jump up and over in the graveyard. So, I'm just, you know, it was one of those things. But man, this is definitely going to polish up to be a mirror polished finish. I can already see it just by how easy it is to clean it right now. Okay. All the talking's over, all the narration's done. Let's go ahead and start using the eraser in 3, 2, 1, ASMR. everybody, I am back to go along with the rest of the tradition. I have a color coordination: silver, silver, blue, blue, and this particular color underneath here is for his armor. Let me get that into frame. Yeah, there you go. Now it's time for a gentle scrubbing. How's everybody's day going today? Mine is going wonderful. Every day is wonderful when I get to work on these things. I love working on my vintage consoles and carts. Brings me back to specific moments and very nostalgic. And the cleaning process is therapeutic because I'm actually, being productive with my time and not just sitting around doing absolutely nothing. Or going on social media and complaining about how I have nothing to do. It's like, no, there's always something to do. It's like, that drain trap you have, go and clean it. Your garage, go organize that sucker, man, because your garage is a pit. If you have a garage. It's like, I have an apartment, I can't do any of that stuff. It's like, why don't you go ask your landlord's handy person if they need some assistance with something? I'm just saying, that might even go towards credit towards your rent. If anything, it would at least give you some hours worth of volunteer hours, and that in itself could help you find yourself a job, employment opportunity. Because then your employer would know that at least you're willing to volunteer your hours doing something that you believe in. And then you have somebody there to actually confirm that you did do those volunteer hours. It's much like going for a ride around with law enforcement. Just to help them and assist them in any way. How's that going to look? You think it's going to be really nice? Oh, yeah, look at that. You can actually see the dirt on the cotton swab from it. Oh, yeah, look at that one. Whoa! Yeah, that's all I like to see. All right, I'm going to flip it over now. We worked on that side enough. Now, yeah, I'm going to get rid of the silver this time. We're just going to go with the, I want to call it burgundy, kind of red color. But like I was saying, it's sorry about the bomb. It's for his armor. I don't know if you can get a color coordination. It's, on the camera, it doesn't look the same, but in real life, it looks very, very similar in color. It's the closest thing I have. So, that looks good. Alright. Chuck that because that's filthy. Clean this one all up. Oh, it's been very weather-wise comfortable where I'm living right now, and it's just a blessing. I'm like, woo, woo, woo. Speaking of other blessings, I have officially been 5 months, that's 5 consecutive months, Grand Malls teacher free. And I am just flabbergasted. Wow. I'm doing something obviously right with my life now. treating this condition, then I have microepilepsy, migraines that cause epileptic seizures. Yeah, obviously I'm doing something right with this because ASMR. Had to be done. Oh, all right. Going ASMR in 3, 2, 1. Right? Looks really, really good. Alright, let's play it inside the console now. See you all very soon. Hey everybody, I'm back. This time we have Simon's Quest Castlevania 2. Game Enhancer. Yeah, I'm really happy with this one's contact pads. It turned out really nice. We're going to run the Game Genie on this one. We're only going to use the one code right there for infinite energy down there, but this is the password that I'm going to input. And here's the other codes. So if you have those, go ahead, take them, and then I'll bring it back down here again so you can see this one. You have it. Hit pause button. Boop. All right. Now, this code that I have right here, not the Game Genie or Game Enhancer code, but the other code, the actual password, I created that myself. This is from playing the game through the emulator. And I found all the proper values to input so that when I received my code or my password, that's what I had. Should we do 9 lives? Yeah. Basically having everything with the exception of garlic and mineral oils. Oh, that's right. I have a Game Genie going. Sorry, everybody. It completely slipped my mind that I could just go ahead and walk this direction. Just, you know, I don't have to worry about damage. Yeah, this is the Castlevania that I remember as a kid. The original Castlevania, it was obscure. It was rare. It was like maybe once in a while you'd see it as a rental, and then you'd find a different game that you would rather rent. Because then you realize and remember how difficult Castlevania, the original one, was. This is what it was for me. I mean, seriously. I was like, how are you supposed to get across that? And yet it lets you. Ah! And then right here, most people wouldn't even realize what to do. I know I didn't when I was a kid. And then somebody somewhere exposed it and told, you know, and it just kept getting passed on to everybody about what to do when you see that. Because I didn't know that information about that particular whirlwind there until I went to a rental store, rented this game, and the person that was playing it actually called a hotline just to get that little bit of information. Is it me, or is this like the longest night I've ever seen in this game? Speaking of, that took forever. That was like the longest night session that I've seen in this game. It's like, come on now. Game is out to get me for real. Which was it? Here it is. What? Now I remember where I'm at, so bear with me here. It's also a good area to get experience points and cards. Here we go again, another really, really long night sequence. Not necessary, but it is what it is. Yeah, I really like playing this game on the handheld Tiger toy too. You know, Castlevania 2. It was fun. Extraordinarily difficult, but it was still fun. I think it was as difficult playing it as it was looking and finding AA batteries back in the day too. And then once I received the Game Boy as a present, I played Castlevania Belmont's Revenge. Yeah, and Adventure. The Adventure one's really tough. And there we go. Be safe. Take care. Happy gaming, everyone.